So alright guys, you're welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your e-commerce business. Okay, so this is Zionhublogistics Limited, and of course in today's tutorial we are going to be looking at how you can create a verified Alipay account from scratch, from A to Z. All right, and how you can also fund it yourself. These are what you are going to be looking at today. So here is my verified Alipay account, and you can see I've performed a whole lot of transactions on this account. So but that's not what I'm going to be doing today. What I'm going to be doing is to create an account from scratch. Okay, so let me click on my settings here, log out this account, then log out. Okay, so I've logged out this account now. So basically, after you must have downloaded your Alipay account, this is what it should look like. Or let me click on sign up page. So once you click on sign up, this is where it's going to pick it up from. All right, so what you want to do here, because we are creating an account from scratch, right? So we have different methods you can use to sign up as a foreigner on this app, but I always recommend you use phone number, should in case if they want to quickly reach out to you, they can call you directly. So just click on this drop down arrow here, look for your country, then you search your country here, then this is my country here. Then I'm going to start with inputting my phone number, right? So once you click on your phone number, you input your phone number, then you want to click on sign up. Then this is their terms and condition. So read everything through. Once you carefully read it, then you accept their terms and condition. All right, so this is just in form of verification here. So you want to use your hand to drag this to inside the basket, and once you have been able to verify that, a code will be sent directly to the number you want to use to do what? To create your Alipay account. So I'm going to wait for this code to arrive. Although it takes time, in some cases it takes times, and in some cases they can also send it to your WhatsApp. Okay, so let's wait to receive this code. So I think I just received the code now. So let me get the code, and okay, this is the code here. So you're going to just input the code, and you want to show the code is correct. All right, so once you're done, it's going to take you to their dashboard directly. So we have different type of version for the Alipay. We have Chinese version, and we also have the foreigners version. So here now is the Chinese version, and you can see that it's telling us to switch to international version because we want to be using it for international transactions. So I will always advise you switch. Okay, so this is the region here. You just click on why this international is for those of us that we are using the platform for international outside of China. So I always advise you go for international, then you click on save. Okay, so it will now change the dashboard. You can see now it has changed the dashboard and everything is in English. So to start your verification from this page here, you want to come to account here. You can see we have our nickname on set and everything is on set, isn't it? So you click on your balance. We are starting the verification from balance. So from here, you pick the setup up. So you can see it says complete your information. So you want to click on go. That is where you input your passport page. This is for those people who have already verified international passport. For those who does not have international passport, and maybe they have someone that has the passport and they want to use his passport, then I've recorded a video on how you can verify it. Check under the description button, and you can also comment that you need the video, so I'll send it to you on how you can use someone else's passport. But this video is for those who have the passport with them. So to continue with the registration, just click on this Chinese mainland. Then you want to select your country. So the passport I'm having here is a Nigerian passport. So I'm going to select Nigeria here. Then the type of document they accept is what? Is passport. So you select passport here. Then here is a two-way things from here, right? If you want to write it automatically, you can just start filling everything up. All right, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to go for this scan to fill in automatically because I'm with the passport. So I'm going to click on scan to fill in automatically. So this will pops up. You have the option to scan the passport directly. Then you also have the option to upload from your album. So I'm going to click on select from album, then I'll select the passport, and I'll confirm. So it will automatically read all the informations on the passport, and it will automatically fill in itself. All right, so let's wait for the passport. All right, it has filled in the information itself. So you want to click on submit. You can see it here. So you want to click on submit here. So after you click on submit, it will direct you to the next page, which is where you want to do your facial recognition. Now you can see here the first option says upload your passport and verify, which is what we are doing, isn't it? You don't want to go for that second option. There is for those people who are in China, right? So I'm going to click on the first option, which was recommended. So I'm going to click on verify face here, and it will take us to where we are going to be doing our facial recognition. So here you can also snap your passport directly, or you upload from album. So I'm also going to click on upload from album here. Then I will upload the passport. So it will also identify it and scan the passport information page again. So after that, it will take you to where you are going to be doing your facial recognition to confirm that you are the real owner of this passport. All right. So I'm going to, although I don't wear any clothes while recording this video, I don't know if it is going to take it. So let me click on verify now. Then my camera will be opened. You can see here. So let's see if it is going to take it, because I was talking while I was recording the video as well. So let's see what we have. Okay, so now this is to tell you that the passport is under review, and it takes nothing less than maybe 2 hours. In some cases, it might not be up to 2 hours. In some cases itself, it will verify it instantly, and the account will be instant. So now you want to go to customer service in progress to confirm if it is what, if it is verified. But that is not the case. Just go back here, then come back to your balance. This is where you always see if the account is verified. Okay, so we'll need to wait for some minutes for them to process this application. And once they process this application and our information is being verified and completed, then we'll need to proceed with the setup, because there are some setups we need to do. So but without the account being verified, there's no way we can set up the account. So let's wait for the account to be verified before we. So I think it's not even up to 2 to 5 minutes before this account can be verified. So let me click on my message here. They notify me. Let me click on my translate. I think this is the notification that I got. So let me go back to my balance now to check. So once we click on balance, once the account is like this, simply means it has been verified. Okay, so now we need to now proceed to the normal settings that we are supposed to do before we can start using and before we can start withdrawing. So the first thing here is to come to where we have this nickname on set. Click on it. All right, we need to set our nickname. So this can be your business name or your brand name. Okay, after this can be set after your account is verified. So we have nickname here. Click on it. Then you want to input your nickname. So I'm going to input my brand name here. So this is my brand name, and I'm going to save it. Right, then I also set my picture. So where we have this first picture as photo, click on it. Then click on choose from photo, then select the brand pictures that you want to use. All right, so I'm going to click on favorites, then look for my, okay, this is my brand logo here. Then I'm also going to select this, then I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to, let me crop it here, then I'll click on OK. All right, so it's going to upload it for our account to look more professional. So this is what we have now. If I'm to refresh, okay, so the next thing now is to go and set our payment password and login password. So wherever we want to log in, we'll be able to use our login, your preferred login password. And how do you do this? Just click on your settings here. Once you click on your settings, then you want to go to the first option, which says security settings. Click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you to this page. So the third page there is what we are going to be making use of, which is login password. So you click on login password here. Remember, this is a new account. Okay, so we haven't set in our login password, so it will verify the security, and once it's verified, you want to click on change now. change now. So you will now input your preferred login password. So whenever you want to log in on any new device, you can always use this login password to log in. Once you are done, click on save. So it will automatically load and save your password. So you can see login password set successfully. Just click on this side here to go back. We are done with that aspect there. So the next thing we want to do, if you want to add your email, you can click on email here and add your email address, right? So that is for, although it's not a must, but if you now insisted, you can go ahead to add it. So the next important thing to do now is to come here. Then we see this payment settings, which is the second option here. Click on it. Then you want to select this guy here. Then after you select it, it will automatically redirect you back to where you want to select your payment settings. This payment settings is always applicable when you want to buy anything or make any purchase. So you want to input your payment settings here, right? So once you are done inputting it, then you want to click on next. So that's my payment password there. So I'm going to click on next. And once you're done with all these settings here, this, if you want to be using your facial to log in, you can also enable it, but I think it's not a must. But let's see. I want to enable it here. So I'm just going to click on enable now to verify it. So I've already verified that, and that having been said, your account is good to go. So to the last settings now is where you want to go back here, then go back here. Then you want to come under your bank card. We want to add our bank card, which is very, very much important to whatever it is we do. So you want to select the option for bank card here. Then we want to do what? We want to input our bank card. So I'm going to scan my bank card now, then to proceed. So let's do that shortly. I'm done adding all my card information here, including the CVV and the likes. I covered it because of security reasons. So once you are done with that, then you want to click on agree the times to add. So it's going to load it and add my card successfully. If there is any need for it to do, you can see here that our card is now added successfully, isn't it? So I'm just going to click on, okay, let me translate this page for, okay. So this is how to add your card, and I believe just click on done. You will see under the card section now that our card has been added. So to now fund your account is very simple and straightforward. Now that our account is now verified from A to Z, you can now start doing any transactions that you want to do. Okay, so how do you fund this account? You can see here we have 000. I've recorded A to Z video on how you can fund the account with just your ATM debit card. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving it. It's going to be showing in your screen right now on how you can fund your ATM card, how you can fund your Alipay account with your ATM card. Okay, so I'm also going to be leaving the link under the description button of this tutorial, so you can go and watch it from A to Z. All right, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. So kindly like, subscribe, and also share. We can also help you fund your Alipay account directly. All right, so I will see you guys in my next tutorial.